Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a basic web page using VS Code right here on our computer. You can right click on it and actually use it. Alright, so I'm going to come right here and I'm going to bring it up just like that. So this is VS Code. You can literally create a web page using the Notepad, yes, but the VS Code is far more advanced. Right now, if you notice right up here, it's a new file, open folder, connect it to and generate workflows. But what we want to focus on right here is create a new file. Notice right up here, so I'm going to type index dot, let's move that, dot html. Good. And then right inside here, long here press a file, I'm going to click right there. Notice when I click right there, this is what come like this. I'm going to click on the desktop because I want it directly on the desktop. That's when I actually ready to do the opening. I can actually find. So right here is a create file. So I'm going to click on that. So immediately up here, we're going to start to put the basic tag. All right, put in the basic tag right here. So I'm going to say HTML. All right, so I'm going to close it. Press enter. You notice you have to close it on the opening. All right, so I'm going to put the head right there. I'm going to close the head just the same. Good. So I'm going to press enter. So in between the head, we're going to put the title. So, alright, so we're going to close the title just the same. Alright, so we're going to come down to the head and press enter. We're going to put the word body. Alright, we're going to close it. And we're going to press enter. Alright, so this itself is a basic structure so far. Alright, so in between right here, the title, we're going to put all about computer. All about computer. Just the same. So this will basically be your topic. So in the body, you're gonna put paragraphs, right? So if you notice P, right here, so this is the paragraph right here. Alright, so we're gonna type something inside here. Here. So we are going to look at computer. Alright, good. Just like that. So we wanna save it by coming right up here to the word file. When I click on file, this is what happened. Click right here and click on save. Alright. So what I wanted to do, wanted to minimize this thing right here. Minimize it. Now we're going to search for our web page right here. Notice right up here, it's the index. So I want to right click on it. When I right click on it, this is what come up. But I'm not going to press the word open. I'm going to go right here to open with. So right, if you notice, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge and all that, I'm going to open it in Google Chrome. Alright, so I'm going to click right there in Google Chrome, just like that. So if you notice, this is exactly what you see right here. You notice? Right here, so we are going to be looking at, right? So that's the paragraph. Alright, let me bring up back the right here. So definitely, I'm going to write some basic stuff about computers. I'm going to press right here. Alright, let me press backspace and put this below. Alright, by pressing enter. Alright, so I'm gonna put ed, alright, which is h1 right here. So I'm gonna type word office, just the same. Let me go back and press enter. Alright, I want to press h1, h2 this time. Alright, let me move that h2. Let's close that. And then we want to put input device. Now after you put input device, now press enter again. You're going to go to heading tree, which is h3. close it. Alright, I'm gonna put output just like that, and I'll put device just the same. Alright, so I want to save this and see exactly how it look in the web page. So I want to come right up here, I can catch control and save. Alright, click like that. Then we're going to bring up the web page now and see exactly. Now we're going to come right up here and refresh it. Alright, and you see exactly how it looks. So this exactly is how it looks so far. Now our web page is actually coming down together. So we're going to put some stuff right underneath here. Alright, so like Office now, you know, you have Excel, you have PowerPoint, so we're going to put them underneath here. Alright, so input devices, you know, say I have like mouse, keyboard, I'm going to put them underneath here. So everything will literally fall underneath here. Let me bring up the VS Code right here. Alright, if you notice right here, I'm going to press enter. So I'm going to press LI now. LI. So the LI is for the bullet. Alright, for bullet. So I'm going to put Excel right there. Press enter. To another LI. So far, I put just the same. Alright, press enter again. We're gonna put another LI. Just the same. So we're gonna put 4 points. Alright. So press enter. I'm gonna put a BR. No, BR is for break. Alright, so I want to put a space in between. Alright. So you come right here by using left arrow. And press enter. Alright, so we're gonna use now the LI now. Inside here. So we're gonna put in the input device right here. Press enter. But the LI again, guys. Bullet. Good. Want one more LI. Just the same. Alright, so this time put the word mic. Alright, so press enter. I want to put a BR between this one. Alright, so you can go to the end, I can press N for your keyboard. And I press enter. Now we're going to look at the LI now. Again. So we're going to put printer. Just the same. Alright, go down, press enter. Put by the same LI. Still working on bullet. Right. Now we have speaker right there. So we need one more. Just like that. Let's put back the LI. Right, so we're going to put the word projector. Just the same. So what we're going to do now, we're going to save it. That's exactly how it look within the page. Alright, so we're going to bring up like this right here. So we're going to come right here and refresh it. Alright, and there we go. You notice everything fall in line. But if you notice, Office is bigger than the other two. Heading 1 is the biggest heading, so the higher the number go. So heading 2 is going to be smaller. Heading 3 is going to be smaller. And basically that's how it go. So the LI is a bullet. If you notice, it give a web page a very nice look. Right, so definitely you open my web page. Right, I open Google Chrome. And then I decide when look at this now, type something in the search bar. And this is what come up. Right, if you notice, these are some codes. Definitely, that's exactly how them use codes in this particular area so far. So they can see like that. This is exactly what it look like right here. So this is how we actually create a basic web page right here. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.